Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix video recording not working on Narzo 100 Lite. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart device, just click and hold side power button and swipe up. After swipe up, enter your phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, click on app management. Scroll down and click on camera app. After click on camera app, click on force stop. If you want to fix this problem, so force stop camera app. After force stop camera app, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, click on storage usage and clear cache. After clear cache camera app, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, so last solution is software update. Click on settings app. Scroll down to end, click on system and update. First option is software update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix video recording not working on Narzo 100 Lite. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.